Hello and welcome! In today's video, I will show you how to change the language for message translation in the Zoom app on your Android phone. This is useful if you want to read chat messages in your preferred language during Zoom meetings. Let's get started with... First, open the Zoom app on your Android phone. Tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Team Chat. Now, scroll down until you find the Message Translation option. Click on Message Translation and then tap on Preferred Language. Finally, choose your desired language from the list provided. Once selected, the app will translate chat messages into your chosen language automatically. That's all there is to it. Changing the message translation language in Zoom on Android is quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.